Uh, we have with us Mr. Kirti Jain. He's partner Modern Heat Exchangers and focusing on heat exchangers using exotic metal like nickel and others. Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon to you.
Would you talk about your company and the kind of products that you are manufacturing in the country?
Yes, we are into shell and tube manufacturing area, and our focus is to manufacture the heat exchangers with the special alloys like nickel and all derivatives of nickel like Hest alloy, Inconel, Incoloys, titanium, and special grades of stainless steel like duplex, super duplex, lean duplex, 904L, alloy 20, and other grades like Incoloy. Some special grades have recently been discovered, invented, and launched by a company like VDM. I'm talking about alloy 31 and some like Cenicro 35 by Sandvik and all these kind of companies. So basically, we are into the field where the applications are for resisting the corrosion in the chemical process industries. And we've been in this business for last over 25 years. And our focus has mostly been on heat exchangers and related process equipment where the heat transfer is a predominant role to play. That's a falling film evaporator or tubular reactor where there's a plug flow reaction, and it's basically a shell and tube type of a construction.
I see you exporting to majority of the countries in Europe, also North America and South America. So how are you managing all these sitting from India?
We have now our installations globally in 22 countries, including 9 countries in Europe, right from Germany, Switzerland, Denmark, Holland, Austria, Italy, France, Hungary, and as well as we are present in United Kingdom, we are United States of America, Mexico, Brazil, South Africa, and our friends, neighboring friends like Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore, as well as Thailand, we have our installations there. Turkey is another company, Egypt, we have installations too, Bangladesh. Now, we don't have our agents there, we don't have offices there, everything we manage sitting here in India. Mostly we undertake a lot of travels in these countries, and it's been the period of almost 10-12 years we've been traveling across and trying to develop market. More than the market development, what gives us the pride and the satisfaction that an Indian company is installing the heat exchangers globally.
And more revenue comes from export or more revenue comes from the domestic market?
It was like almost 30-35% we have revenue coming from export, which, and I think the time to come, and that had it not been for COVID, it would have been almost 60% from export. But because of there was some slowdown because of the COVID, and now we are trying to gear up again, and the drive is in the direction of export. But as you can see, there's a lot of potential in our own countries. So,
and what about manufacturing? Where is your plant, and are you looking at expanding your capacity?
Yeah, we are already expanded. Started in that direction, expanding. We are located in Rabale in Navi Mumbai, and a lot of investment is happening in that facility. We have renovated our clean room facility. We have installed higher capacities cranes. We have bought a couple of more units and expanded, and are looking for some more areas where we can go and expand our facilities.
So what's the capex investment that you have done, and what is the number that you're looking for closing in FY 2022?
We have invested almost about 6 to 7 crore rupee in last couple of years, and we are aiming to touch about 70-75 crore in this financial year.
And any new, what we can say, products that you are coming up with, or depending upon the requirements of the market?
We have certain things, on our radar, but we are still not decided what exactly we need to do. Of course, we have invested in the areas which are not related to chemical process industries, but robotic arms and all those kind of things. But those are not really connected with this particular segment. So, but we are thinking, I mean, what exactly we need to do about future growth and all that thing with our next generation coming in. We are not sure what needs to be done, but we are working in that direction for sure.
Thank you, sir, for talking to Indian Chemistry.
It's a pleasure, and we appreciate that we are here in front of this, and it's a very esteemed journals that you are coming out with. And let me tell you that I read it very carefully, and almost every edition of yours is read by me very carefully.